Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing about writing portion. Or in previous video, we discussed about short composition, that is notice writing. I had given you some samples also. I hope you must have seen and you must have written in your notebook. Dear students, today I am going to tell you and teach you one more important writing portion, or that is speech writing. This question of speech writing is of long composition. This question, speech writing, will surely and certainly come in your exam. But before starting that, I want to tell you about the markings. Dear students, marks distribution. In speech writing, earlier the question was of 10 marks, but now it is of 5 marks. So for 1 mark, format, 2 marks for the content, and 2 marks for the expression. Format, if you are following the actual format of speech writing, so you will get 1 mark. Or secondly, the content which you have written is, if it is appropriate, so you will get 2 marks. Or 3 marks for the expression, means grammatical accuracy and spelling mistakes. All these things will be counted. Dear students, in previous classes you must have read about article writing, diary entry, but I think this speech writing is new for you. In speech writing, dear students, the speaker has to speak on the given topic, or how he will start his speech, how he will address the audience and honorable members. This thing you have to know. Suppose one question is given कि you are XYZ, or you are asked to speak on the topic, or the topic is impact of watching TV on children. On this topic you have to speak, and prepare a speech to be delivered in the morning assembly in 100 to 120 words. Not understanding. Suppose you are XYZ, you are asked to speak on the topic impact of watching TV on children. Understood? Prepare your speech to be delivered in the morning assembly. Then how will you deliver and how will you write that particular speech? A big question. Students, so I am going to tell you, first of all, you will start, respected principal ma'am. If manager is there, then respected manager ma'am. If principal, then respected principal ma'am or sir. You may add or you may avoid. Yeah, honorable you may start. Respected principal ma'am, worthy teachers. Understood? and my dear friends, because the audience, majority of the audience are students, so you have to write my dear friends. Understood? So how will you start? You may start honorable principal ma'am, you may start respected principal, you may start honorable manager ma'am, respected principal ma'am. Understood? Worthy teachers and all my dear friends. It depends on situation. If director or that manager is also present in that assembly, so you must give. Suppose you must write in the beginning of your speech. Understood? Okay, respected director sir, principal ma'am, worthy teachers and all my dear friends. I am XYZ, you may write. Yeah, this is XYZ. Understood? I am XYZ or this is XYZ. Anything you can write. Of 11th, you must give your introduction with class. So I am XYZ or this is XYZ of class 11th, and today I am going to express my views on the topic. Today I am going to express my views on the topic. Our topic is impact of watching TV on children. Understood? Then after you have to write. I will tell you that also. So how, respected director sir, principal ma'am, worthy teachers and all my dear friends. This is XYZ of 11th standing before you to express his views or her views on the topic impact of watching TV on children. I hope you will agree that what? I hope you will agree that entertainment or recreation is important in our life. Entertainment or recreation is essential part of our life. It refreshes our mind. Recreation refreshes our mind and it helps us to work freely without pressure. But as we know that every coin has its two faces, in the same way, dear friends, this watching television has some positive impact on children, on kids, and some negative impact. Understood? Some advantages and some disadvantages. First of all, I want to discuss about the advantages. Dear students, dear friends, as there are many good channels such as Astha, QTV, Peace TV, Sanskar, they fulfill our religious hunger. From these channels we get many important values of life, or we know that how to survive in society. We also know through these channels the actual motive and aim of life. So these channels means Sanskar, Astha, QTV, Peace TV. They may tell the positive aspects of life. The actual aim of life. Apart from these channels, dear students, dear friends, there are many new channels. Or these new channels, dear students, such as Aaj Tak, ABP, NDTV, and others. From these channels, we get a lot of information. We get information what is happening in our surrounding. We get information that what is happening in the world. And through these channels, dear students, we can increase our knowledge, our general knowledge. Dear students, so these new channels are also very, very important. And one more thing I want to tell you, that apart from these new channels, we can get information. We can watch many scientific channels such as National Geography, such as Discovery. Understood? So from National Geography, from Discovery channels, we can get many scientific knowledge. We can update our knowledge in field of science. We can know about different discoveries and inventions. We can know about our planets. So these channels such as National Geography, Discovery, they are very, very important. Or after that, dear students, there are many sports channels also, such as Star Sports, New Sports, understood? National DD1. So from these channels, dear students, we can get information about different sports such as hockey, cricket, tennis. As this time Olympic Games are going on, so you can get the opportunity to see the live matches through these channels. Or the most important thing, that you can increase your sport knowledge in field of sports and games through these channels. Understood? So the channels which I discussed you in the beginning, they may fulfill your religious hunger. They may tell you the real values of life. The channels, Aaj Tak, ABP, new channels, they may increase your knowledge. They may increase your, they may tell you what is happening in the world. Or the scientific channels such as Discovery and National Geography, they may increase your knowledge in field of science. Or after that, I told you about sports channels. So these are the positive aspects. These channels are actually good for our children if they are watching systematically. Understood? But as we know that every coin has its two faces, in the same way this watching TV has some negative impact on our children. Understood? Our children they like to watch many cartoon channels, many action channels. Or whenever they watch that action channels and cartoon channels, so they try to copy the same stunt in their real life. They don't know that such stunts are they used to do in the serials, under the guidance of expert, or small kids, small children, they try to become Shaktiman. Understood? They try to follow the stunt which is shown in the Khatron Ke Khiladi. So that is bad for our children. One. Or second, watching continuously TV is making our small children and kids immoral and violent also. They are becoming obstinate in nature. They are after watching these channels, they are very rigid. Understood? So one more thing I want to tell you, dear students, the negative thing that it affects their eyesight also. As they watch many hours, so this TV watching impacts and affects their eyesight also. It affects their dear students' health also. It affects their studies also. So negative impact, that they become violent, they become immoral. Understood? And this affect their studies also, this affect their health also, this affect their eyesight also. Understood? Not only this much, dear students, that they take less interest in their studies. So their studies are also hampered due to watching continuously TV. So after discussing both the aspects, positive and negative, of this television watching, television, we have reached to the conclusion, dear friends, that excess of anything is bad. Watching television is not bad, but watching television many hours is really bad for our children, for our small kids. So it is the duty of parents. Suggestion. So it is the duty of parents. They must check this. They must observe this. They should not allow their small kids and their children to watch television many hours. One, or if they want to watch the television for their knowledge, for the entertainment, so they may watch only good channels. They should watch only good contents. Understood? Which can tell them something which can be useful in their life, such as I have told you. Understood? News channels they may watch, sports channels they may watch, some religious channels like Astha, Sanskar TV, Peace TV. These channels also give good information to them. They may watch scientific channels. Understood? Instead of watching cartoon channels and action channels, because it is spoiling them, and it is spoiling their health, it is spoiling their studies also. Okay, I hope all of you must have convinced about that. Thank you. At last you will write, dear students. So this is the way of writing speech. You must start in the same way. Different way of beginning I have told you. You may write honorable director sir, respected principal ma'am, worthy teachers. If principal and teachers are present, then it is okay. Here also, this is XYZ of 11th, or I am XYZ of 11th. Understood? So this is the way. I hope you have understood, dear students, or you will write this speech writing in your notebook, or from 16th your offline classes. I hope you will be started. Thank you.